Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big super the out here. We're out in a East Prospect. My viewers and sub. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good morning, good morning, each and every one. After 3 years and 4 months. We still here up on the road same way. I do the do. I hope everybody have a peaceful and quiet weekend. When you see we're going with the rolling up at the Brinks and the ganja bus and the regular killings then will take place all over the little island. But big super gonna make a walk this morning out in my beautiful parish East Prospect. And we all look on the update. We are giving an update, further update on the drain system to see how it will come along. So stick and stay, people. Phone on a bicycle, only in Jamaica, people. My viewers and sub, so we're there out of East Prospect, and as you can see, them start to concrete the plastic pipe them now. Them start to concrete the plastic pipe. Them start concrete them under the ground. So you know the process there is gonna take a little time because the pipe them underground, then we have to dig them out back one and redo the do. At least dig out back some of them. I don't know if them are going to hear if we dig out all of them, but them have to dig out some of them. So my viewers and sub, we are make a walk this morning and we're out in the beautiful East Prospect. We're there at the Beverly Hills. Yeah, we're there out at the Beverly Hills section St.Thomas. So stick and stay, people. Oh, we're there out at the beautiful. We're there out at the beautiful. Alright. We're there out at the beautiful East Prospect this morning, and we are walk and we are look on the road. We are look on the condition of the road, people, and we are look what's going on this morning, and we are giving a further update on the drain. So my viewers and sub, so we're out in a East Prospect, and we are giving a further update. We don't know, slowly but surely, see the Chinese folks them out here supervise the work, and one of the things that we observe is that them take out back most of the black pipe them from underground. See them over there for the people. So them take out back most of the black pipe them and them are concrete them. Yeah. Because when the weight and the traffic and the vehicle them run on top of the pipe then they'll have an issue. So when them concrete it now underground, it's more firmer. So that them do, especially in the thing the driveway of Brown's guest house. Because you know vehicles are constantly coming at the guest house and I come out. So them have to concrete them. So my viewers and sub, we just are giving a further update on what go on. On some of the hold up, some of the delay and the hold ups of the system. Like you see for yourself exactly what's taking place here out of the lovely East Prospect on the road and the drain. Yeah man, so the road work, the viewers and sub, the road work continue out here in East Prospect. I think them should have start to clear up some of them debris I don't know. I think them should have start clear up some of them debris. My viewers and sub. Really and truly think them should have start clear up some of the debris them with up on the road. Especially them dirt. Them waste dirt them have pack up on the sidewalk. My viewers and sub. Big up Herschel Grocery, one of the #1 subscriber. See her place there. She got in the shop and she don't see me, you know, but I have to big her up. When you're in East Prospect, make sure you stop at the location. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. Morning. See, she yell me up there too. Morning. So, my viewers and stuff, I make a walk and I don't know if I'm going to see anybody to really talk to, but I just look at the road work that's taking place here out in East Prospect, you know. We just look at it, look at how it's coming on, yeah, and stuff. Yeah, man. Morning. So maybe you want to come up to another section here where they have to concrete, where they have to also concrete it. So they might go through it phase by phase. Because remember, the stretch of road where they might deal with about roughly mile and a quarter or so. So they must take them out one by one. But me I make a recommendation. It's all them mountain, yeah? Them high mountain where the set will take the 3 years to pile up. If them could have find a way and use them bulldozer and them tractor and them truck and clean out some of them dirt. Them will put dirt out, them pack up all over the place. You know, it just make the place look, you know, give the place a clean look. It just get a horrible look. So we just walk, go down to where the gully is, where all is a flood, to make you guys see exactly where them are plan to channel the water. So you can maybe get a more understanding. So we're coming up back to another drainage system here, and we just take a look this morning at the drainage on the road here. Make you guys see ongoing work taking place on the drain out here in East Prospect. The viewers and sub, ongoing work taking place here. So as we just say about them whole up a mountain here, they need to clean them up. Clean up the place, man, and make the place start to look. You know, when you work and you do work and you start to clean up the place, the work move faster, you know. You have them whole up of dirt pile up all over the place. So you see all them pipe there, you can look on them pipe there. You can see them pipe at the underground, you know. Them have to take them back out. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So we are bringing you down behind the bus station here, the bus stop, where we see them dig out a big long trench. We are going to change the walk. Yeah. So you can see it, my viewers and stuff. Them dig out a big long trench up here. So you can see where them are do. Them are going to install the pipe, go straight down the line here and maybe concrete it. So, my viewers and stuff, that's how the thing will take place out here and thing. So we just again an update on what taking place here out here in East Prospect. So we just again an update on what take place out in East Prospect, where them dig a long trench. So them a channel the gully morning. Them a channel the water now. You can see where them a channel it, and them want to take it right down. Them want to take it right down to where you have a bridge. When rainfall it always flood, because it's like they're down in a sink. So me get the impression that they don't take it. So you see all of them pipe there? Them pipe there, a pipe look like them dig up. Because you see them full of dirt, look like them dig up. And I forgot put back. Or new pipe I forgot put in, I don't know. So, come up to our next section here. You see it? Them concrete it. Yeah, my viewers are. So I see it. Them up on the work here. Early out on the work here, big super there. See the team just a roll in there. So I want him to give the work agency people them credits for is that them work 7 days a week. Yeah. Then they on them job bright and early. And if you can look in front of me, my viewers and sub, you see where the team come out early this morning. Them they're out here on the road. So we just again an update on what going on out in East Prospect here, where the work coming on very good, and we like what going on. And we don't know, they don't really talk with us like that unless them get some farmer instruction. So we just assure us say them they're on spot, work team they're on spot, and Big Super is here. Morning. And Big Super is here. You know the update from what go on out in East Prospect. So we have a gully, my viewers and sub. We have a gully we run around this area here. We have a gully now, so it look like them a plan for the gully run underground. It run underground, so and it run right over down in that bushes. It's another direction on my point. The gully run down there, so it look like them a plan for carry the drain and link it up back with that gully where carry the water or the sewage or the drain system to leak out the water off the road. So they have to carry it and connect it up to that system. Some of viewers and sub, as you can see, Big Super is out here on the road, just giving you guys update on what taking place out in East Prospect. Road work is coming on, might not be coming on at the pace where you guys expect it to come on at, but it's coming on nonetheless, slowly but surely. St.Thomas road work getting there, and them are putting in the me Jenna. Them are putting the road system, the drainage system. So the pipe up on the road, people. So as you can see, we are gonna bring the work, the blogging to an end. But I hope you enjoy the little walk we make to show you the update on the road system out here in St. Thomas. If you like what you see, remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your post notification bell, and remember people to watch out the ads. And if you can also donate, you can go down in the description and donate to my channel. Big Super out in East Prospect saying peace out and have yourself a wonderful week.